2008 Chevy Tahoe 5.3 liter V8. Still got factory converters there. And thank God it don't have the third converter. Then we put a Flowmaster FX right there and did a resonator delete into a 5-inch tip right there. Came out absolutely beautiful. We will let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. If you guys want to purchase that, there's a link in the description for the Flowmaster FX, and we'll try to find a link for that tip too. Hopefully. There it is. 2008 Chevy Tahoe 5.3 liter. What we got done on it, still got the stocks right there. And right there, stock catalytic converters. Then it's widened to a single flex pipe. Then we did a muffler delete and put a 3-inch pipe in its place into 2.5-inch tailpipe. Then, you know, he doesn't want it too loud, so we left the resonator on it and put a nice shiny tip on it, 4-inch. We will let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Flowmaster FX never disappoints. Go ahead. At its peak, it's about 101, 102 decibel. All right.
Oh, please.
Let you guys hear on the inside. Much better. That's how old Chevy should sound. Dub 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 dub.